Curious about crypto trading but worried about the risks? Let's explore demo trading on the Hotcoin app, the safest way to learn and practice trading without using real money. First, on your Hotcoin app's homepage, tap More, then go to the Trade section and select Demo Trading. Here's where you can explore the crypto market freely. Everything works just like real trading, except you're using virtual funds, so there's zero risk. Inside the demo trading page, you'll see 10,000 USDT in your demo balance. These are your virtual test funds. Use this to practice your strategies, test different coins, and understand how real-time markets behave. You can choose between perpetual and delivery trading options, just like in real trading. Want to try trading crypto such as BTC or ETH? Tap the crypto pair selector and pick your preferred assets. Next, select your preferred margin mode, cross or isolated. The explanation for each mode is shown here. Each option includes helpful details, so be sure to read them carefully before you start. This is your chance to get familiar with real trading settings in a completely safe environment. Before placing a trade, adjust your leverage. Leverage can magnify profits and losses, but remember, this is all virtual. No real funds are at stake, so it's the perfect opportunity to experiment confidently. Enter the amount you'd like to trade, then tap Open Long if you expect the price to rise, or Open Short if you expect it to fall. Tapping the button will execute your simulated trade. You can monitor your open positions in real time, just like in the live market. To exit your trade, simply tap Close. Whether you're a beginner testing the waters or an experienced trader fine-tuning strategies, demo trading helps you practice, experiment, and grow, all without spending a dime. Feeling confident after some practice? Once you're ready, tap back to live to start trading with real funds and apply what you've learned in the real market. So what are you waiting for? Download the Hotcoin app today, try demo trading, and take your first step toward mastering the art of crypto trading safely and smartly.